Hello student of class 9. Let's continue our chapter gravitation. And today we are discussing very important topic. What is the importance of the universal law of gravitation? So we have already learned about the Newton's universal law of gravitation. And we have learned that according to this law, each and every object in this universe attract each other with a force of attraction, and which is called the attraction force is depend on the mass of product of their mass and the distance between them. So each and every object attract each other. So what is the importance of this universal law of gravitation? Because of the universal law of gravitation, several phenomena which were believed to be unconnected, and today we know the truth. First importance of this law is, from this law we have learned that the force that bind us to the earth. So we are on this earth because some force is binding us, and this force is the gravitation force. This is the attraction force of the earth. Another importance, the motion of the moon around the earth. So we know that around our earth moon is revolving. Now this is because of the gravitational force. Another important of this gravitational force is all the planets also moving around the sun, and the tides due to the moon and sun. So when moon comes closer to the earth, then the gravitational force of the moon pulling the water on the earth at the higher level. So the tides also create because of the gravitational force of the moon and sometimes sun. Now let's know free fall. So let's discuss an activity to make it easy. Take a stone, throw it upward, it reaches a certain height, and then it starts falling down. We have learned that earth attracts every object towards it. Means this is due to the gravitational force, the stone falls down. Whenever objects fall towards the earth under this force alone, we say that the object is in free fall. Now question arising here, is there any change in the velocity of falling object? While falling, there is no change in the direction of the motion of the object, but due to the earth attraction, there will be change in the magnitude of the velocity. So you can see the object whenever falling down, then continuously its speed increase. Means we can say velocity magnitude is increasing because of the earth gravitation, but direction of the object is not moving, not changing. Whenever an object falls towards the earth, so we can say acceleration takes place. Acceleration means continuous speed increasing. Acceleration of the object is due to the earth gravitational force. So therefore, this is called the gravity acceleration due to gravity. And this acceleration due to gravity is denoted by small g. So remember, small g is the acceleration, but due to gravity. So we say small g. And unit is same as acceleration. We know the unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So the g value also will be meter per second square, because g is also acceleration, but only it is due to the gravitational force. We know in second law that the force is product of the mass and acceleration. That means F is equal to ma. So in this case, acceleration is taking place because of the gravitational. So A means here small g. So we can write F is equal to mg ma. In 10.1, 10.6, you can see this equation. And from the universal law of gravitation, we know that F is equal to z capital M into small m by d square. So since F is equal to mc and since F is equal to z mm by d square, so we can write mc is equal to z mm by d square, and both sides, if we cancel small m, then we'll get small z is equal to zm by d square. So this is the formula of the gravity. By using this formula, you can find out the value of small g, means how much speed increase in each moment when object falls under influence of gravitational force. So small g equal to capital G m by d square. Here small g means gravity of earth only. Gravitational force of the earth only called small g, and gravitational force in whole universe is represented by capital G. And capital G value we know 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11. And m means mass of the earth, we know 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. And d will be the radius of the earth. So we'll discuss the finding the value of small g in the next class.